Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have the Bombay and Cedar Beauty Box, new to the channel, so let's get in and check it out. I want to thank Bombay and Cedar. They did send this to me for review and I really appreciate it. I have to be honest, I didn't know they were sending it, so it's a double surprise for me. I can't wait to see what's in here. I did, when I received it a little bit ago, look up some of the information about the box so I can tell you all about it. But this is our first time having it on the channel, and I've done Bombay and Cedar before, but I mean, how well does the beauty box fit in here on the channel? So let's just open this right up and dig in. I'm so excited to see what's in here. When we open it up, we have our card right on top. Oop, the back tells us everything that's in it with a little bit of information. Oh, and all of our goodies are in a bag. That's kind of fun. Like I said, they may always do this. It's new to the channel for me. Can't wait. Let me tell you a little of the deets about it and then we'll dig right in. It is the Bombay and Cedar Beauty Box. It comes out monthly. It is a skincare and makeup box that features cruelty-free items. You get 5 to 6 full-size and deluxe-size products. You will have a retail value of over $120 and it is $34.95 if you purchase it month over month. And if you extend it out, like if you do the 3-month, 6-month, or 12-month, it comes down $1 for each one. So the 3-month works out to $33.95, the 6-month $32.95, the 12-month $31.95. I will put a link and my code below. My code is Kathrin10 and that will get you 10% off your first subscription from them. They say that it is a combination of indie and well-known brands. And if you order by the 10th of the month, you get the current month. And from what I read, it made it seem to me like I think you have a choice. So I think you might get one choice from this. So this is the bag that it comes in. It has kind of that PVC plasticky feel. I'm just going to take everything out. This is the January Beauty Box and it says artistic. So let's see what is artistic. First out, we have the Hydrating Light Moisturizer by Simple. And I actually, when this brand came out, I did the whole line and I liked it. I'm not real sure why I quit using it, but this is a lot. This is, I would say it's probably full size because although it is in this packaging, I mean, that's a lot of face moisturizer. It is 1.69 ounces and this says it has a $6 value. Squeezed to the last drop. Dermatologist tested and approved. This moisturizer sinks into the skin super quickly and helps to maintain a healthy skin barrier throughout the day thanks to our special blend containing pro vitamin B5, vitamin E, glycerin, and borage seed oil. It is for sensitive skin, right? Yes, sensitive skin experts. It's who Simple is. I was gonna say, there was a reason I used the line, and it's the sensitive skin experts. Let me show you. I'm gonna go ahead and open this because I'm sure I will use it because you guys know I have sensitive skin. Look, it's a full, and when we take it out, and I love how it comes out. Can you guys see? It's easy to get out, and in theory, what you're leaving in here is clean. I might have to learn to get a little less out. I suspect I just put enough on for several people. So have you guys done the Bombay and Cedar Beauty Box before? I haven't done it. I don't know how I've missed it. Well, it made my hands feel fantastic, and they needed that because I've done a few swatches from other videos, and they have gotten dry, and now they are not. They are lovely and moisturized. Almost no scent, which is kind of what you would expect from anything that says it's good for sensitive skin. They are right. It is absorbing right in. Next up, we have a Loja Micro Brow Tattoo Pen. That is interesting. I am very intrigued. This says Micro Brow Tattoo Pen by Loja is waterproof, long-lasting, and no smudging. A full pigment, water-resistant formula that can be used to fill in and detail brows. The 4-tip applicator allows for smooth application and hair-like texture, and it has a $12 value. I have actually seen this kind of thing before, and I've never owned one. So I am ready to try this. Oh my gosh, look at that. Can you see how cool that looks? It's got the 4, get closer just in case. Let's see if I do the back of my hand. That is kind of neat. It's a nice light color. I don't know if the little, can you see the color? I don't know if the little individual parts will come across, but that's nice. If you had a really dark brow, I'm not sure that it would work for you. I got it in medium brown. So that's probably perfect for me. I can't wait to play with it. I already have a lot of brow on today, so I don't know that this will make any difference, but it goes on really easily. Okay, that is fun. So something I have tried and liked, and something I'm anxious to try. Next out, I have an MW Glow Duo Bronzer and Highlighter for face or body makeup paper. Number 8, medium dark. So that is what this packaging looks like. We're gonna read about it and then get in there. Makeup paper, what does that mean? Glow Duo Makeup Sheets by My Couture removes shine while adding color. These travel-friendly 2-in-1 bronzing blotting sheet duos deliver buildable, sun-kissed color while removing shine in an instant. Ideal for a natural bronze look with a subtle, sexy glow. And they have an $18 value. All right, we're checking this out. Out of it, that is what it looks like. And then, oh, it's paper. When we open it up, can you guys see? It's papers. It looks like there's 2 colors. So the top seems to be this lighter color. And then can you see about halfway through, let me get down to it. Oh, it just goes the other way. You can just start from the back. It is that color. So I have that and that, and that. It's like when you're at the eye doctor, better now, better now. Well, we're gonna take one of these lighter ones. Do I take it out? You have to take it out, right? I'm not gonna go, oh, okay. So I took one out and it's just a really thin, like a blotting paper, piece of paper. But where I would blot, the only place, even in the summer, the heat of summer, the only place that I really get oily is here. My glasses do a world of hurt to my makeup, but that's the only place, and I wouldn't want to put anything shiny there, but I'm just gonna do this out on my cheeks and we'll see if we get any shine from it and what color it is. Can you see? Did it make me shinier? I think it did. Did it make me? I hope you guys can see. This is interesting. I will try it on a day when I'm not getting ready to make a lot more videos, but I am intrigued by this. Where you would use it, like, see the back? The back, you know what? I didn't read it. The back doesn't have any color on it. So maybe you blot with the back and then put the color on it. Let's see what it says. How to use. Pat Sweep Blend pigmented side of paper to desired area of face or create the motion that works best for your skin. It does not tell us. We're gonna play with these and I will report back because this is new and different and I love that. This box has things in it like this and this that I've thought in the past. I really wanna try that and I've just never picked up. This is one of those, it's Dr. Jart, right? Yes, Dr. Jart Shaken Shots. And it's like the little baby thing up top and it's gonna be a face mask. This was a choice. You could have received this, which is the Dr. Jart Shake and Shot Rubber Mask. This innovative cream to sheet formula penetrates skin more deeply than a sheet mask to deliver high potency active ingredients. It has a $12 value. So you could have received this or a shampoo bar from Long Weekend, which had a $13.99 value. So what is this one good for? There are a lot of words in here in, I guess, maybe Korean that I don't understand. I feel like I should probably do this on Insta, right guys? Wouldn't that be fun? Yes, this is the Hydrating Cocktail Mix, so it's perfect for me. Yay! I love that. I haven't ever done one of theirs, so that'll be fun. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This box needs to get out of my head. 0% exaggeration. I saw this the other day on my Insta feed and came this close to ordering it. I mean, this close. It looked amazing. First of all, I love Vermeer. I love artwork. I wish that I had gotten my degree in art history instead. I know, what do you do with a degree in art history? I don't know, but I wanted it. And the movie, The Girl with the Pearl Earring, I read the book first. It was fantastic. I love Vermeer. This is a base blue and it's the Artistic Eyeshadow Palette. Wait till I show you the inside, guys. If you haven't seen this, prepare to be mind blown. I was. So when you open it up, the inside of the paperwork, they've worked the shadow palette into it. So how cool is that? This is the palette. I know, it gets better. Are you ready? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. When you open it up, those are the shadows. Yeah. Cover the mirror so you can see. They've built it into the top part of the, how amazing is that? So amazing, right? Can you guys tell? I am so thrilled to have this. I wanted this and I can't believe. Wow. It says the wander begins. Oh my gosh, guys. I don't even know. I think I might want to keep, oh, what do I want to keep? I kind of want to keep all of the packaging. Well, I'm going to use it. I'm going to use it. So I'm going to swatch it because I'm going to use it. It's so perfect. I think that they're going to do more collabs with more artwork. They may have already done it. but I love Vermeer. I can't express to you how much I love Vermeer. I stood in front of one at an art gallery one day for like 20 minutes. My husband was like, are we leaving this spot? Okay, let's just try. Oh my gosh, I don't want to touch it. Okay, I'm gonna want to use it, so I'm just gonna touch it because what else? What else is it gonna do? Sit in a box somewhere? Okay, speak reason to yourself, Kathrin. So that is the, oh, so creamy and nice. It is beautiful. It's just, these colors are gorgeous. Oh, so it has, this one has even a little shine to it. Is this a charcoal? Yeah, so pretty. Oh, let's try the gold. Oh my gosh, guys, it's so pretty. Oh, wow. And then up in this corner, we have a little bit of blue. I put these on the, oh, I put so little because I didn't want to dab into it on the back of my hands that I don't have a great representation, but what I can tell you is I am going to love those colors. I love that they're like everyday. So pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this. I'm going to want to just set it like this somewhere in my makeup room so that I can just see the front. I can't believe this was in this box. Let me tell you what the paperwork says now that I have waxed poetic about it. It is the Artistic Eyeshadow Palette by Base Blue Cosmetics. The Artistic Collection is consistent with 12 makeup palettes from eyeshadow to face powder, highlighters, and bronzers. It is a tribute to the most prominent art pieces in history. The Girl with the Pearl Earring Artistic Eyeshadow Palette is the first release from the Artistic Collection that features 7 highly pigmented, universally flattering colors from warm tone nudes to bright yellow. It has a $53 value, which I know seems like a lot for a small palette. Do they call it an eyeshadow palette? Yes, they call it an eyeshadow palette. Because I was like, you know, you could use the white and the gold easily other places if you wanted. Anyway, what I started to say was I know $53 seems like a lot for this, but I bet they had to pay for the rights to Vermeer, and that probably wasn't cheap. I love this. This clearly would have made the box for me. It is a $34.95 box, and you get this base blue Vermeer palette with a $53 value. So this alone covered your box. This Hydro Shot from Dr. Jart that I've been wanting to do. The Simple Moisturizer. I don't want to cover up the palette. It's still there. The Glow Duo. I'm going to have to learn about these bronzers and highlighters that are also blotting papers. Very intriguing. And the Loja Micro Brow Tattoo Pencil. $34.95. I will put the link below with my code Kathrin10. You'll get 10% off your first subscription from them. I am very happy with this box. This made my day. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. Thank you to Bombay and Cedar for sending me this, especially this. I absolutely love it. If you have any questions, let me know if there's something I can find out for you. Thank you again so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to spend with me. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys. I have to go play with my palette now.